So hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna tell you that how to make a professional YouTube thumbnail. So first of all, go to Google Chrome and now search here canva.com. Canva.com. And now search here YouTube thumbnail. Search here YouTube thumbnail. And now click on plus. And now click on plus again. And now choose one thumbnail for your video. I like this, so I'll choose it. And then remove this man. And now I type here how to. Now I type here how to, and now I'll type here make, and now I'll type here professional, and long it. And small its size and adjust it. Wait, I'll adjust it. And I have done this. And now click on plus again, and now click on upload and upload image that you have in gallery. So I upload this, and I adjust it. I like this adjustment, and this, and now again plus, and then choose another, and then short it, and then place it here. Yes. And now click on plus again, and now go to elements and search here arrow. Now wait here, and now click on arrow, and now choose that you like. I like this, and now adjust it beautifully. As you can see that it's looking good. Now you click here download, and now click on download and click on alt download, and your photo will be, or thumbnail will be downloaded. So this is the way you can make a professional YouTube thumbnail. So please like my